Get real. Get a really great looking lawn, that is, with the Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sun Joe. Mojo handles tough turf with ease and provides a quiet, eco-friendly solution for any lawn. MJ500M comes equipped with a durable rear collection bag to make your cleanup work fast and easy. Powered by you, the Mojo has a 16-inch wide cutting path for a crisp cut that will be the envy of the entire neighborhood. The adjustment lever, featuring 4 convenient settings, lets you easily select the height that's just right. 5 razor reel steel blades quickly make light work of any lawn. Mojo's comfortable, non-slip foam grip handle improves control and handling, so you get maximum results with each pass. Backed by Sun Joe's full 2-year worry-free warranty, it's the manual mower you can count on to keep cutting season after season. For a greener, cleaner yard, go with Joe. The Mojo MJ500M manual reel mower from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Our world has changed a lot over the last century. However, at American Lawnmower Company, our 125-year commitment to providing clean and green lawnmowers has remained the same. We've been producing quality reel mowers since 1895, and as the needs of homeowners have grown, we've grown alongside them. Our reel mowers have maintained their timeless look, but we've been busy this past century, designing and enhancing our lawnmowers. While always offering a full line of manual reel mowers, we've expanded by offering electric mowers, keeping true to our eco-friendly pledge. And with no gas or fumes and a high-quality scissor-like cut, our mowers will leave you, your family, neighborhood, and lawn happy and healthy. So whether you have a foot or an acre of lawn, we have the mower for your yard. American Lawnmowers' roots go deeper than any other lawn and garden company, keeping the world green, one lawn at a time.